What vitamins are good for nerve damage? Can dietary supplements improve neuropathy? Let's check. A healthy diet is crucial in controlling blood sugar, which is key in managing diabetes and preventing or slowing the progression of diabetes complications, such as diabetic neuropathy. Dietary supplements can play a significant role here. Many times it becomes hard to take all the vitamins together and the right quantity of it. Here, dietary supplements can save you. Another primary benefit of dietary supplements is they generally have less side effects than other types of treatments. Today, we will share the best diabetic neuropathy medication, the best vitamins to repair your nerves. Stay with us. Best supplement for neuropathy. Nerve Renew Advanced Nerve Support by Life Renew. A powerful nerve support that goes straight to the site of nerve damage with super antioxidant R-alpha-lipoic acid to help ease nerve aches, discomfort, and weakness. Rich in antioxidants. This power-packed combination of vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, and D help aid diet deficiencies and give you a much-needed boost. 100% safe and natural fast-acting formula is designed for nerve health support and is safe for those with sensitive health conditions. Long-lasting relief support. The ingredients in Nerve Renew are well tolerated and designed to reduce discomfort caused by nerve damage. Results can be seen within just 16 weeks of use. Your satisfaction is our priority. Try Nerve Renew with confidence because your order is covered by our money-back policy. For details, please check the link in the description.